Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to add members to Microsoft Teams. So Teams before is this one, but later they changed it to Community. So all you have to do is to click this one. And once you tap this, and then it will show you build your community, and it's up to you which one you choose or prefer. So for example, I'm going to choose this for business, but actually everything is up to you. So for this time, I'll choose business, and you can change the name, for example, project 101, something like that. Now below, you can change a settings here if you want to toggle this one on. If you want to set this to private, so you can also change this to private, or if you want to set this to public, then you can set this to public. Now after that, click the create button. Okay, so once you're done with this, then probably you can now see community, or you can see now this project 101 under community, and this is what it looks like. Now here is where you can add your team. So if you want to add members here, just click invite people. You can also see other options here, but this time we're going to add or invite team members. So all you have to do is to enter their email address. And then after that, you have to click this invite button. They will be notified that you have added them to your Microsoft team. Okay, so you can also copy this link and send this to their social media account. You can also tap this create my event if you want to create an event here for your members, for your team. So you can set, or you can create an event right here, set the time, and then save. You can also add a welcome message to your team members. So all you have to do is to type it right here. So basically, this is how it looks like. If you go to files, you will see here all shared files. Also with photos, you can see here all shared photos. As easy as that. So basically, this is how you simply add members to Microsoft Teams. Okay, so if you want to add a new channel, all you have to do is to click this one and create a channel here in Microsoft. For example, in this community, you want to create a channel for announcement, channel for project. So basically, all you have to do is to click this add channel and then create a name channel for that. And whenever you post something here on this specific channel, your members will be notified. As easy as that. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.